Hi, in this series, How to Talk About, we share some vocabulary and sentences to talk about how we met, what we like to do together, and what makes our friendship special. Here's some vocabulary: close friend, a very good friend you trust; childhood friend, someone you've known since you were young; circle of friends, your group of friends; keep in touch, to stay connected with someone; lose touch, to stop communicating over time; and get along with, to have a good relationship. Now, here are some sentences you can shadow and practice. I have a close friend from school. We are still in the same circle of friends. Even when we travel, we keep in touch. I really get along with her because we share the same values. Continue to practice shadowing and then talk about your friends. And if this video was helpful, follow me and practice some phrases about work. And don't forget to read and be kind. See you next time.